Hey team, I just answered a really good question from an ambassador, and I figured while my thoughts were fresh, I would make a video so that all of you could hear the answer and we could chit chat about this a little bit. The question was, what do I say? She said, I'm in an area where there's a couple other companies that are really growing in this area. FitSticks, Thrive, Herbalife, I've heard them all over the years. What do I say when someone says, what makes Plexus different? Or why should I try Plexus? Or I tried FitSticks and it didn't work. What's the difference? I'm sure if you haven't got those questions already, you probably are going to get them. So here's how I approach that type of a question. First of all, I am only going to speak from what I know. I will not spread rumors from a different company because I know the type of crummy rumors that are out there about Plexus, and I don't want those spreading because there's a lot of false lies out there. So why would I share that type of information that's damaging to a different company? Besides, there's moms, there's ambassadors, whatever they call them, there's people from every company that are grateful for their company, that are grateful for their opportunity, where it's paying the bills, it's keeping them home with their babies. So I am not going to bash that. I'm going to support my friends in network marketing, okay? With that said, I want to come to this question with a shield of confidence. Now, if you picture a shield, if I was smart, I would have drawn this out, but if you picture a shield and 4 sections on the shield, there's 4 things that you can rely on where you can speak from an attitude of confidence when addressing this question. And on that shield, there is our 60-day money-back guarantee, researched ingredients, your own personal story or personal story of personal friends or family, and company growth, 1600% growth in our company over the past 3 years. A company that sells 50 million a month in products is doing something right. So your story, 60-day money-back guarantee, researched ingredients, and company growth. Those are all things that you can speak on confidently. So for example, if someone asked me that question, I would say, I don't know a lot about FitSticks, but what I do know about Plexus is they help me get over my afternoon fatigue, my spring allergies, my cup of mocha every morning. You know, I speak from my story. No one can refute my story. Also, that's a great opportunity to ask questions and throw the ball back in their court. So you tried it. What did you like about it? What did you not like about it? Hey, I tried it, but it really didn't fix my gut issues and my constipation. Okay, guess what? Plexus has some gut health products that are going to help with that. Or maybe they'll say, yeah, I tried network marketing with, say, Tupperware, but I hated having all the inventory. That gives you a chance to share and educate about Plexus. So asking questions, throwing the ball back in their court, talking from a place of confidence is going to put you in the driver's seat of that conversation. It's going to let you block objections before they come up, and you will never be accused of not being supportive or spreading false, errors, rumors about a different company over social media or over conversations. Okay? I hope that helps, and I think I covered all the thoughts I was going to try to get out. So that is my overview of what to say when someone says, what's the difference between Plexus and such and such.